He was hitting a forehand with a backhand grip until now. David came in wanting to improve. For years, he was hitting his forehand with an Eastern backhand grip, using the wrong side of the racket face. It wasn't efficient, and it wasn't fun. Now compare that to Marcos Giron, top 50 in the world, who has a classic pro forehand. We went into the Full Court Tennis Pro library. We studied Marcos to see how a pro truly loads the torso and sets the racket face. Look at him now, just 4 weeks later. He switched to a semi-Western grip, hitting with the correct face and finding that beautiful lag. His feet are active, loading the swing from the ground up. He still has work to do, but this is a massive leap for 1 month. I couldn't be more proud. That is the power of the right tech and the right mindset. So here's the truth most players don't want to hear. You have to want to change. Study the pros, change your game. Download Full Court Tennis today.